I just wanted to do it this week. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome to my channel. For this week's nail tutorial, I am going to recreate a nail design I seen on Pinterest because I really just didn't know what else to do for this week. So I'm going to recreate it but put my splash, my vibe, my stamp on this nail tutorial, which is going to be this rainbow plaid design, as I call it. Yes, I know it's November and it's getting chillier and no rainbows I don't think is gonna come about, but I wanted to do them this week. So if you want to be a rebel with me and do a bright kind of little rainbow plaid design with me, just go ahead and sit back and relax and continue watching. But before we continue on doing what we are doing, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel please, and like this video as well, and also share it so we all can be rebels together. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So you guys, this week we're going to be a little bit of a rebel and do this nice rainbow plaid design. So first we're going to start off with prep your nails however you like it and applying your base coat of your choice. Once you have done those few little things, you want to apply your base color to start this nail tutorial off right. So I have this nice tan, brownish, deep dark tan color, and so we're going to apply 2 coats of that down on every nail. Once you have put down the tan brownish color on each nail with 2 coats, then you want to apply this nice blend of these translucent shimmer. The first one I'm going to put down first is by LA Colors. It's called Opal White. It's Opal White color, but it looks in the bottle shimmery of pink, but in a little specks of blue, and you think it's going to be a nice thick opaque opal white with that shimmer, but it's not. So it's very translucent, so you put that down on top of a color and it brings more of that pink shimmer out. And then you want to put 1 coat of that on each nail. And then on top of that, to make a wonderful magic blend of a shimmers together, I have Salon Perfect's Oh No Hunty shimmer polish, which looks pink in the bottle, and you think it's going to be a nice opaque pink with a shift of blue glitter and a pink and a little purple glitter, but when you put it down it's very translucent, and the blue shift glitter really picks up more. So I'm going to apply that on top of Opal White. And if you see it like you see here, it's amazing magic together. Great blend, a great translucent shimmer blend together. When you apply both of them are great alone, great shimmer colors, but when they're together they make some magic. Then we're going to start off with this white rectangle section on the near the tip of the nail, not all the way on the tip of the nail, but if you go down just a little bit and you start that rectangle and apply a white block rectangle across your nail, on each nail. And you're also going to want to put 2 coats of white as well because we want it nice and opaque. For this next step, you can do two things. You can make your rainbow the darker side, darker rainbow colors, or you can do what I did and use the lighter side, using the lighter rainbow colors. So you can do either way. Today, I did the lighter side, so you're going to get all your Roy G. Biv rainbow colors out, and you just work with a lighter brush. Start with making the rainbow on the right side of the nail, and you start at the edge of the nail, and with your lighter brush take the red and the orange, then the yellow, then the green, then the blue, then the purple or violet, and you want to make the rainbow starting from the right side edge of your nail and then going over. And you don't want it to be the lines to be too thick. You want them nice and thin lines, and when you do the next color you want to kind of overlap like you did the red, and then you want to overlap the red with the orange just a little bit to kind of blend it together and keep them nice and thin. After you've done all the rainbow wonderfulness and they're all thin lines, you're going to want to use a black, any black of your choice, and a liner brush. So then on the left side of your nail you still see a part of that white block rectangle that you did. The top and the bottom of the rectangle you want to do two lines. One on the top, one on the bottom, over top of the rainbow colors as well. So start from the white edge of the block on the left side on the top and go all the way over, and same at the bottom of the rectangle block and go all the way over top of the rainbows colors. And then you want to do that same thing but have a nice thin line in the middle of the block, the white block, overlaying the rainbow colors as well. So after I did that, I feel like it needed something else, so I drew a thin black line to kind of block off the rainbows section off because I feel like I need it. So just a thin line right after the purple all the way down to the tip of the nail. So once you have done all your black lines, then you want to take that red as you used before in the rainbow, and then you want to go up from the cuticle a little bit, and then I'll draw a horizontal line across the nail. So on the left side of the nail, you want to make a line vertically down the nail as well, but make sure it's more closer to the left side of the nail than in the middle. In all these lines you might have to go over it more than once to give that opaque look that you need. And this time you can go back if you need to with that tan color or the red to really define the lines and make sure they're all nice and thin. Then you might have to go back in with the glitter to make sure those lines that you fixed has the glitter as well and not be noticeable. So That's if you need that. If you don't, you can go right ahead and apply your top coat. I just did my Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss top coat of mine, but this design will also look good in matte if you have a matte top coat as well. Once you applied your top coat of choice, then yeah, you are done with these rainbow plaid nails.